So guys, no Overwatch lore came out. I love Overwatch. I love the video game Overwatch. I really like playing Overwatch, the video game. Yes, it's a very nice video game. So let's just go through and read this. I'm gonna do a live reaction. Michael True. Okay. 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 Wow, we got some. Wow, guns. Whoa. Wow. Okay. 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 What? Or is that like his brother or something? Eh? Ah! What? What now? Why? So like, basically, they just forced diversity in this video game. They forced it literally. That's all. I was the only. They literally had to push a comic just to say that, just to do that to Soldier. Why? They're literally just appealing to the libtards. They literally had to just go and appeal to the libtards because their game is dying. Literally, that's all the comic said. Jack Morrison likes guys. That's all they said in the comic. That's all they said in the comic. In conclusion, I'm protesting Blizzard. I'm returning Overwatch to my local EB Games, and I will never ever purchase another Blizzard game again. Thank you for watching my video, and remember, of course, to smash subscribe, hit like, and donate to my Patreon.